Do you struggle mixing greens? I used to struggle too, and it looked like a kid painted. Now I have a few range of greens and I want to share it with you. Let's cut to the point and show you how first. In my palette, there's usually two greens, sap green and viridian hue. Sap green is a good color, but if I use this color too much or too often, our eyes can catch it's too much repetition. So I break it up with many kind of greens. So let's start with these two greens as starters. If you want to sun-kissed green, you can mix with yellow and sap green. If you want autumn or fall type of greens, you can mix with yellow ochre, either sap green or viridian hue green. And sometimes pine trees or juniper trees, they have desaturated dark green depending on how far you see it or the season. In that case, you can mix with browns and green. I used a lot of burnt sienna, so my burnt sienna is a lot less than the burnt umber. But maybe, depending on which one you have a lot left, you can switch it up. These brown mixed green, they look quite similar. And of course, you can mix green and blue. First, basic color mixing theory. We probably all know mixing yellow and blue makes green. If you mix primary color that you have in your starter pack or starter kit, it's so vibrant.
Green.
These colors are so much vibrant.
Green.
We don't see them often in the nature usually. I like to use ready-to-use green in my palette, so I can save time to make many green shades. If I have to start from yellow and blue, it takes a lot of time. And time is important for watercolor. While you are mixing, the paper is drying, and sometimes you just run out the color you just made. Also, by the mixing color already made, the result you get is more consistent. The more color you use, the more inconsistent and difficult to control. So keep it simple. At this point, we have original 2 green, 2 primary color mixing greens, or maybe 3, I don't know. It depends on how much yellow and blue you have. And 1 sun-kissed green, 2 autumn greens, and 2 desaturated greens. I think this is enough to break it up the greens, but sometimes it needs more than greens, like blue or browns. I hope this video helped you. If it did, all I ask you is to press the like button so YouTube knows I did a good job. Thank you for watching.